Dear student, due to coronavirus, school started online classes for your study. So you can subscribe Golden Flower Palia YouTube channel, like and press the bell icon.
Good morning students. Today topic is sequence and series. So students, what is a sequence? A collection of numbers, each of which obtained from the preceding one according to some rule is called sequence. Already students, in class 10 you have studied the chapter arithmetic series. Sequence is the same as arithmetic progression. In our syllabus there are the two types of the sequences. The first, AP, arithmetic progression, and the second, GP, geometric progression. Students, first we study arithmetic progression. In short, 8. This one is not a new one topic for you because you already studied class 10. In the class 11 we study also same. The different one is only geometric series. Arithmetic sequence means a sequence in which between two terms of the sequence there is a fixed difference. The fixed difference is considered as common difference. This series can be finding by adding or subtracting a common quantity in a first number. Suppose that first number A, that is first term of the sequence, and common difference D. I already discussed about that. The sequence can be obtained by adding common difference. So, AP can be expressed as A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, such way. First term is A, by adding A it will become A plus D, by adding one more time AD, then it will become A plus 2D, similarly A plus 3D. Now, for example, 5, 9, 13, 5A. Suppose that we have adding 4, it will become 9. One more time we are adding 4, it will become 13 and 17. So, in which we are calculating A is equal to 5 and D is equal to 4. So students, how to calculate common difference? D. So D is equal to A2 minus A1. Second term of the sequence minus first term of the sequence. In general, D is equal to an minus 1. from successor to predecessing class, we have to calculate t. Now I talk about nth term of the sequence. Nth term of the sequence. Sequence name is arithmetic progression. By definition, A plus D, A plus 2D. From this, it is clear that first term of the sequence A1 is equal to A, second term of the sequence A2 is equal to A plus D, A3 is equal to A plus 2D, A4 is equal to A plus 3D. Students, from this ordering, there is also one question in your mind. Whenever we are calculating A1, that is A, A2, 1 time D, A3, 2 times of D, A4, 3 times of D. So talk about general term An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Means An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. In this formula, by substituting the value of A, D and n, which term we are calculating, that is n, and there is a common difference t, and the first term from which starting, that is A, so we have to calculate a sequence. Now find 10th term of AP, 10th term of AP, 5, 8, 11. So from question given, A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 8 minus 5. So we know that the formula for the general term An is equal to, since A plus n minus 1 into D, A means 5, n minus 1, n minus 1 means, what is the value of n? N is equal to 10, because we are calculating 10th term. 10 minus 1, and the value of D is 3. So what is the result? 5 plus 9 into 3, 5 plus 27, adding 27 and 5, we will get 30. So this is the A10. In the formula we have calculated, we have substituted the values of the different number. Now I talk about mth term of the sequence, which is find it from last. Mth term from it. Mth term from end. Dear students, from starting we are calculating first term, third term, fourth term, eighth term, ninth term by substituting values in the formula. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. It is a very easy task. But But there is a one difficult task. If we are giving general formula directly, you will not understand. So first we derive mth term from int. Suppose that given sequence AP with n terms A plus B, A plus 2D, A plus n minus 1 into. In this, it is clear that A is the first term and D is the common difference, because generally we are taking A as the first term and D as a common difference, so there is no need to write it. Okay, it's understood. Now students, there is a very difficult task how to calculate the mth term from int. This one is called A1. This is considered as A2. This is considered as A3. And this is considered as AN. So students, we are counting from int. Any term this is AM. If we starting with int right to left, then how many terms are left? In this portion, this is called, this portion is called, this term is called A n minus n. Total term are n. If we left n terms, so how many terms are left in the series? A n minus n. Suppose that you having 5 bananas. If you lost 2 bananas, how many are left? 5 minus 2 means 3. Simply, there are n terms and you left from int to right to left m terms. So left number of terms a n minus n. A n minus n. Its position is, and what is the position of mth term? Position of mth term from starting position of mth term from the starting a n minus n. A n minus 1 plus 1. A n minus 1, the position of mth term from the starting. So mth term from int is equal to a n minus m plus 1 f term from start. N minus 1 plus 1f term from start. Mth from int n minus m plus 1th term from start. So by formula am is equal to a plus n minus m plus 1 minus 1 into u. We have to find it out a plus n minus. Dear students, it is also very important why we are substituting n minus m plus 1, because this position from the first term, second term, third term, fourth term, nth term, this is n minus 1 m plus 1th term. From starting से कौन सा टर्म है? a n minus m plus 1. So this is the required formula, mth term from the int. So finding out the mth term from the int, it is necessary. First you have to find total number of terms in the sequence. After that you have to use this formula, which term you want to calculate. Now one example. Find fourth term from int minus 11 minus 8 minus 5 49. Students, from given sequence, it is clear that A is equal to minus 11 and D is equal to A2 minus A1 means minus 8 minus 11 is equal to minus 8 plus 11 is equal to 3. So common difference of the sequence is 3 and an is equal to 14. Suppose that the last term is nth term of the sequence. This is called an. So an is equal to 49 means nth term can be defined as an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So 49 is equal to a. What is the value of a? Minus 11 plus n minus 1. Value of d is 3. 49 is equal to minus 11 plus 3n minus 3. Minus 11 minus 3 minus 12 plus 3n. This further implies that 49 plus 11 is equal to 3. This implies that 3n is equal to. Now 49 plus 11 is equal to 3n minus 3. So if we add 11, it will be 60 is equal to 3n minus 3. Also 3n adding in 63, it will be 60. 3 is equal to 3n. This implies that n is equal to 63 by 3 is equal to 20. So there are total term in the sequence 20. Now mth term from and am is equal to a plus n minus m into d. So we have to calculating fourth term. So a4 is equal to, what is the value of a? Minus 11 plus n already calculated 21 minus value of m 4 bracket close and d is 3. So it will become minus 11 plus 21 minus 4, that is 17 into 3, it will become minus 11 plus 51 and minus 11 plus 51, it will give 11 डिफरेंस होकर के ये आपका आ जाएगा 404. ओके, थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स.
Do self study at home and stay home, save lives. Thank you very much.